this school is very important to those that do come, get an understanding. I believe that if we try to get an understanding first, then we can go further than what we're doing now. Like the word says, out of all we get an understanding. Because sometimes you can have an assumption of something, but if you don't ever go see it for yourself and see what's happening, then you really can't know. So I encourage people to come near and far to see what the Carroll School is doing and how it is motivating our youth for the betterment. It can only get better.